Good morning guys, dahil coding yung dalawang kotse, ihatid po natin si boss. Coding kasi, saka may lakit kasi yung anak, kaya entry mo tayo. Ano pa naman kami alis yung mga 7:15. So manual muna tayo. M3 gagamitin ko ngayon. Ito wala ibang magamit, ito lang eh, kasi coding yung dalawang coding lahat dalawa.
Sorrowful Songs, pianist Conrad Chubinianta performs in his own orchestration of Chopin's Allegro de Concert. The PPO in Home, February 14, 7:30 p.m. at the Manila Metropolitan Theater with a pre-concert talk by DZFE at 6:15. Tickets
Hindi ko
are
mahanap yung isa kong salamin na saan kaya.
office or Ticket World.
Welcome to Classics for Kids. I'm Naomi. Johannes Brahms was the composer of 21 Hungarian dances. Or was he?
Bye guys, thank you for watching.